Are there any natural cat repellent smells?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about something that might come in handy for those of you dealing with pesky feline visitors: natural cat repellent smells. We all love cats, but sometimes we need to discourage them from certain areas for various reasons. So, let's dive into the topic and explore some smells that cats generally dislike and will usually avoid.
What are natural cat repellent smells?
Before we start, it's important to note that cats have a keen sense of smell. Certain scents are simply unbearable to them. By using these, you can keep cats out of certain areas or discourage undesirable behaviors. Some of the most effective natural cat repellent smells include: 1. Citrus scents. These can come from actual citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, or grapefruit. 2. Certain spices. Cats dislike the smell of cayenne pepper, mustard, and rosemary. 3. Essential oils. Peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus oils can all serve as natural cat deterrents. Remember, when using any of these scents, especially essential oils, it's crucial to use them in moderation as they can be harmful to cats in large amounts.
How to use these smells effectively?
Now that we've discussed the different smells that cats dislike, let's talk about how to use them effectively. 1. Citrus peels. You can scatter these around your garden or indoor plants. 2. Spices. Sprinkle them lightly around areas you wish to keep cat-free. 3. Essential oils. Mix with water and spray lightly in the areas where you want to deter cats. Ensure you renew these natural deterrents regularly for the best results. Now that we've explored the various natural cat repellent smells, it's time to try them out. Remember, the goal here is not to harm or cause distress to the cat but to gently discourage them from frequenting or damaging certain areas. Please use these smells responsibly and consider the welfare of your feline friends. We hope this information is useful, and thanks for watching.